$800. That's a significant yearly cost. That's what the average American spends yearly on car repairs they could have prevented. Another one, $200 on services they didn't actually need. $2,000 gone. Not from accidents, from ignorance. I've spent the last 3 months interviewing mechanics across the country. Master technicians with 40 years experience, shop owners who've seen every scam. They told me what breaks cars, what wastes money, and what simple tricks keep vehicles running twice as long. Running twice as long for half the cost. These aren't detailing tips or organization hacks. These are 1,000+ savings hiding in your glove box, your gas tank, and your garage. Number 7 is why your check engine light keeps coming back after you already paid. If you're tired of paying shops for things you could do yourself, subscribe now. I post car money saving secrets every day. Hit the bell so you don't miss part 2. Let's start with the hack that costs $4 and prevents a $400 disaster. Hack number 10, the toothpaste headlight restore. Cloudy headlights aren't just ugly. They're dangerous. Oxidized lenses reduce light output by 70%. Shops charge $150 to $300 for restoration. Some try selling you $800 assemblies. Here's the $4 fix. Regular whitening toothpaste, not gel, the gritty baking soda kind. Wash the headlight. Apply toothpaste with a damp cloth. Circular motion for 3 minutes. The mild abrasive strips oxidation without damaging the plastic. Rinse. Apply car wax as a sealant. Lasts 6 months. Repeat twice yearly. One mechanic in Texas told me he sees cars fail inspection for cloudy lenses. X spend $200 at shop. Customers spend $200 at his shop for the same result. He feels guilty charging it. Do this yourself. $4. 15 minutes, pass inspection. See better at night. Hack number 9. The gas tank door spring fix. Broken gas door spring. X happens eventually. Happens on every car eventually. Plastic tab snaps. Dealer wants $120. X look inside. Open the door, look inside. There's a rubber band or zip tie solution that lasts years. Loop a thick rubber band around the door hinge. Or thread a zip tie. Tension holds it flush. Costs $0 if you have supplies. 10 minutes. One customer in Ohio. X saved $137. Told her dealer. They laughed. Then admitted they charge $140 for a $3 wholesale part. She saved $130 with a rubber band from her desk drawer. X battery test. Hack number 8. The free battery test that prevents $300 tows. Battery fails without warning. Always at the worst time. Most drivers replace batteries every 3 years, wasting $150. Auto parts stores test batteries free, not just voltage. Load testing shows actual capacity. Do this every fall before winter strain. If it passes, keep it. If it fails, shop for deals. You have time to shop for deals, not emergency roadside prices. One driver in Michigan tested his 5-year-old battery annually, lasted 7 years, saved $450 in premature replacements. The test takes 90 seconds, costs $0. Hack number 7, the loose gas cap check engine light fix. Check engine light appears, panic sets in. Shop charges $125 to diagnose, finds loose cap, tightens it. Light goes off. You paid $125 for a quarter turn. X retighten click 3 times. Before any shop visit, retighten your gas cap until it clicks 3 times. Drive 50 miles. If it was gas cap related, it resets. If it stays on, you have a real problem. Eliminated for free. This saved a customer in Arizona $600. She found this tip online. Light off Monday morning, $0. Mechanics hate this. It embarrasses customers who paid for nothing. Always check the cap. X oil interval. Hack number 6, the oil change interval reality. 3,000 miles is a marketing invention from 1970. Modern synthetic oils last 7,500 to 10,000 miles. Check your owner's manual, not the sticker. Toyota says 10,000 for 2026 models. Honda says 7,500 under severe conditions, not your commute. Changing oil every 3,000 miles wastes $400 yearly. Double services. One tech saw 200,000 miles. Perfect. Use the manufacturer interval. Save $4,000 over 10 years. Save $400 yearly. Subscribe for part 2. I'll reveal the hack that saved a customer from a $6,000 transmission rebuild. Subscribe now. See you in part 2.